for shelter information, you can text, and this is pretty simple, LA Shelter to 898-211. So you can call 211, or you can text LA Shelter to 898.
There's a certain psychology about it. I think sometimes people just say, "Oh, don't go back. It's terrible. There's no a quality of life things there. It's a horrible space." But like, unless you've walked this walk before, it's quite difficult to understand. But I would suggest, because people are hearing us all across the country, if you do happen to come back, try and do some recognizance via phone or Google Earth or one of these ways to find out just how devastated your community is. If it is an opportunity for you to come back and have a plan, make sure you get here at the crack of dawn. You know what I'm saying? So you can go in. If you need to get something, empty your refrigerator. If you need to get that certain photo album that has sentimental value, or your wedding dress or something crazy like that, be able to get in, get it, and get out. Because like you said, at nighttime, without gas, without rest